Good evening, everybody. My name is Matthew Brady, and welcome to another episode of Shifty Intentions. I hope you've been enjoying my content. A lot more to come here in the future. But today's just a little one. It's something I'm really stoked about. I just got some new merchandise, actually, from a company that I've wanted to rep for a long time. I think, you know, as a car enthusiast, we all know that the manual transmission is dying. Supposedly, you know, less and less manufacturers are making them brand new or creating platforms with the manual transmission in mind. So I've been seeing ads for the Manual Gearbox Preservation Society for quite some time. It's this company that basically is super pro manual transmission, stick shifts, rowing it yourself. They're just trying to promote that in general and provide a product that enthusiasts like myself and like you guys out there can use to support manual transmissions, to get people interested in them, to teach them how to drive. So I bought some merchandise finally. I kind of bought a lot of merchandise all at once, but I'm really excited to show you guys what I got and to do a little unboxing. I will give you kind of my honest opinion on how the quality of the material is and everything, and then you guys can let me know what you think of the merchandise after the video. Stop it. Come on, chill. Also, guys, before you ask, I am not being paid to make this video, and I am not sponsored by the Manual Gearbox Preservation Society. I just think it's a really cool company that people like me who love the manual transmission can actually use to promote, you know, driving a stick shift and to kind of teach people what we love. So without further ado, let me kind of get into it and show you some of the stuff I got from them. First thing I'm going to show you is the hat. So I love this, man. It's so classy looking to me. The Manual Gearbox Preservation Society written in this circle or whatever. It's the name of the brand, and then it's got the actual stick shift pattern of the last like few cars that I've owned. And my Fiesta ST is actually the same way. So I don't know. I think the hat's freaking cool. I mean, look at that. I'm just gonna wear this thing around, and people are gonna be like, "What the hell is that?" And I'm gonna be like, "Let me take you on a rant about the manual transmission, everyone, for hours and hours and tell you why it's the best." I just love this hat, though. It's an actual snapback. It's kind of like that trucker style where it's clear through or netted or whatever. There's other types that they had on their website, but this is the one that kind of stood out to me the most. Next is, I think, the hoodie, maybe? The fit of this sweatshirt, if I can kind of show you, the hoodie itself goes all the way down to here, just past my, my waist. And I would say that's a little more like kind of like a snowboarder type of feel to it. Just a little longer than some other hoodies are. But I really like the way it feels. It's not too tight or anything. Size large is what I usually wear. And that's what this is, and it fits well. I'll show you the logo on the back here. I think it's pretty cool. I'm really happy with this sweatshirt. So now let's show you the t-shirt. I'm gonna have to change my t-shirt, and I'm not gonna show you that, but that's just because I'm self-conscious like everyone else in the world. So now I've got the t-shirt on and the hat, as you can see, both the same logos. On the front, it's got that same stick shift pattern that I have on the hat and that I have on my Fiesta ST. And then on the back, it's got one big logo. I love this stuff, and actually this fits perfect. This is a large. This is what I wear for every other t-shirt I usually own. And I love the way it looks. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. If you decide you want to check out some of the Manual Gearbox Preservation Society merchandise, I guess I'll link it in the description of this video. I was not paid to do this or anything. I was not sponsored, nothing like that. I honestly just really think that the existence of this company is awesome. And all of us enthusiasts out there who love driving a manual, love rowing it ourselves, you know, I think we should support this guy because it's in our best interests. If we want to keep the manual alive, we gotta support it and we gotta promote it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, go on. Hey, no, let me pet you. Okay. Saga. Come on, dude.